Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most advanced home routers you can buy right now, the FlintStreet GLBE9300 powered by Wi-Fi 7. This device is built for people who demand high-speed internet, strong stability, powerful wired performance, and enterprise-level features right inside their home. We'll go over the Wi-Fi 7 3-band system, the 5.5 GHz Ethernet ports, multi-one load balancing, bulk parental controls, and how these routers eliminates NAS bottlenecks with speeds up to 5 GHz. Let's dive in. What Wi-Fi 7 brings to the table? Wi-Fi 7 is the latest wireless standard and it brings huge upgrades over Wi-Fi 6 and 6E. It features